What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at another Boker Kalashnikov. If you already saw the unboxing on this guy right here, the Kalashnikov, this one is the Black Widow skin with the black and red. If you haven't seen that unboxing video, make sure to check out the link right here in the top right. But yeah, we did an unboxing on this guy, and I'm telling you, as far as automatic knives go, can't go wrong with the Boker Kalashnikov. So I'm excited for this guy. Today I'm bringing you a little bit of a wild card, because this thing, as you can see in the thumbnail, this thing is wild. So let's go ahead and cut right into it. The OG Kalashnikov in the channel is gonna do the honors, and without further ado, boom, look at that, guys. Take a look at this. Take a look at this skin right here. This is known as the, are you guys ready? This is known as the Desert Warrior. And by the way, let me go ahead and make sure I leave the case somewhere here in frame. This thing is awesome. It comes in this AK-47 magazine looking case. I think that's pretty nice. But yeah, about this Desert Warrior, right? So this is a running joke with Blade HQ. The idea here is that they make a Desert Warrior skin, and so many people ended up mistyping Desert Warrior and instead adding an extra S and searching for the Desert Warrior. So Blade HQ folks, you know, exciting and fun as they are, they decided to make a skin to go along with that Desert Warrior, and boom, there it is, right? Take a look at this guy. It fires just like the you know, the Kalashnikov that we looked at already, and I mean, in appearance they look pretty similar, right? Different skins, same knife. Different skins, same knife. But I just had to have the Kalashnikov in this Desert Warrior skin for sure. When these are in stock, they come in at around I want to say 54. There it is. $54.95. They're currently out of stock, but yeah, just sign up for the Blade HQ email list. I want to say they post updates currently all the time on there. And I mean, for that price, I just had to give me something unique, something different. I'm not sure if you guys have seen the Desert Warrior Civivi unboxing that I did in the channel, but now my wife has a Desert Warrior and so do I. With that being said, again, going back to checking out the actual knife here, again, compare side by side once again with the Black Widow skin that we unboxed on the channel earlier. Again, same knife, different skins, you guys get the idea. The Black Widow here was on D2, whereas the Desert Warrior came in with AUS 8 steel on the blade. So I'm not sure why there was a little bit of a difference there, but something to be aware of, right? AUS 8 blade steel. It does have an aluminum handle, right? So it has a nice, good feel to it, some nice weight to it. So during the review, we're gonna go ahead and go over the specifics, the weights, the length, all that good stuff on this knife. I can't wait to, I've already been ADC in this guy, so when I do the review, I'm probably gonna, you know, probably do the review for both, since they're obviously the same knife. So this is an automatic knife. So what's the deal here, right? When you press this button, the blade comes out flying just like that, right? So you don't really have to swing it or anything, just press the button and boom, it is an automatic or out the side, not to be confused with an OTF or out the front knife. I have the CJRB Pyrite here for comparison purposes. So this is a button lock. So if you press the button but don't swing the knife, nothing's gonna happen, right? So in order to open this guy, you have to actually swing, right? Swing the knife in order for it to open and close. The difference here with an automatic, of course, and again, I'm not trying to, you know, I'm only explaining it for the newbies because I was a newbie. I'm only explaining it for the newbies because I was a newbie not that long ago. With an automatic, you press the button and bam, the action is automatic, for lack of a better word. But yeah, this thing is nice and ergonomic, like I mentioned on the last video, right? Look at that. Every finger has a groove right there for it to grip real good. Nice chimping going on up top. So that is nice and easy to grip right there, and chimping in the back as well. There's a lanyard hole right here as well, right? Doesn't get in the way of the clip. The clip is deep carry, so when it's in your pocket, it's going to look something like this, right? Only the you know, the clip itself will show. The knife is going to be nice and hidden away for sure. I'm not sure about this blue color though, because that's what's going to be showing. I know it's part of the skin, and of course it goes well with the same blade color and everything, but some baby blue looking clip on my pocket, I'm not sure about that. But again, it's all part of the Dessert Warrior with this donut pattern and some sprinkles and things like that going on. Even I like the attention to detail, how each and every single hardware, like, you know, different colors and all of that. I think that is pretty neat that they went the extra mile to do that. Hardware wise, I believe these are T8 and T6, or there might be T8 and T4. These guys definitely look extremely tiny for sure, but again, more on that on the review. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I'm so glad and happy that during this last run for the Dessert Warrior, I was actually able to get my hands on one of these guys. Now, again, the Boker Kalashnikov comes in at a mini version. This is the regular version, and there's even an XL version. The XL version looks like a machete. That's how big it is. But yeah, this regular version with the 3.25 dagger blade. Yeah, the blade is very symmetric. Yeah, so this is a dagger blade. Yeah, it is nice and sexy looking. I know it comes in different blades as well. You can get the Kalashnikov with serrations if you wanted to. There are other variants and other skins too, so check out the links below. Again, they are affiliate links, so they may help out the channel, but again, that is up to you at no extra cost to your price that you pay. Guys, hit the like button and subscribe if you like to see content like this in the channel. Let me know in the comments what other type of knives you would like to see in the near future. By the way, guys, a lot of people keep asking in the comments, what are these things right here in the top left corner of your videos? Right, those King of Hearts and Ace of Spades. All right, those guys have been hanging out up there over the last couple of videos in the channel. But what are they, or what really are they, right? So just gonna give you guys a quick overview. I'll be making a separate video on these, but just so you know, links will be in the description for these. These are fidgety pocket toys, if you will, or pocket coins. Of course, this channel is all about EDC, right? So this will be a fidgety pocket coin, if you will, something that you get a chance to play around with in your pocket, right, alongside with you know, all the other things that you carry on a daily basis. And this is what they do, right? Listen to this sound. Right, if that's not satisfying, I don't know what is, but I can see myself doing this over and over again and never getting tired of that sound. Check out this guy. Let me swap hands. I am right-handed. All right, King of Hearts. All right, this one is like a rose gold. This is like a gold. This one is all in silver, right? Well, you can do it both-handed. How about that, all right? But again, if you haven't checked these out, guys, these are very addicting. I'm glad I have two of them. I got this one originally. My wife ended up taking it away from me because she liked it so much. So she ended up keeping the Ace, and then I ordered me the King of Hearts here so I could have, you know, a little bit of a variety, right? And yeah, they've been in the top corner there. If you haven't already, check these out. I mean, they are super addicting to open and close. They're nice. Another addition to your EDC, right? Something that you will carry on a daily, right? You can fidget with them, right? It can help you with anxiety and things like that. This is what the back looks like on both of them, right? And again, they're held by magnets. Without going too much in detail, those magnets right there are doing all the work. And that's where you get the awesome clicking sound. every time you open and close. Again, links for these in the description, you guys, so check them out. Let me know what you think. All right, and yeah, add them to your EDC collection, because I mean, they are totally worth it. They are super awesome. And if you made it this far into the video, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.